Did leave room for Aunt Etna, right?
I've already got her bag in.
Here you have her bagged in?
Yeah.
Okay, where's Aunt Edna's dog? He's not tied to the bumper? God, did you ever see Vacation? you like are totally have never seen the movie Vacation, have you? So we're about ready to go on our next adventure, and we came up with a dilemma. What are we going to do with all our luggage in the car? Because we have to take the dogs this time, and we sold our travel trailer, so we can't throw all our bags into the trailer anymore. So we came up with the idea to get a travel bag that goes on the top of our car. So let's go take a look at what we got.
The roof bag's designed to sit on top of your car and keep your items somewhat waterproof. Comes with a bag and 2 straps. What I like about this roof bag is most of the ones that I've bought are material, and this one appears to be completely waterproof, which is awesome in the state of Colorado, because if you don't like the weather here, you wait about 30 minutes and it'll change. Looks like you store your items inside, and then the straps that they provide go across your roof bag and onto your luggage rack, or in some cases even your windows if you're in a passenger car.
Mr. Martini, what are these for?
Those are gonna be where you put your straps for to hold it down to your roof.
So the straps it comes with, you put them through here?
Yep.
Okay. So it's got a one side loading.
One side loads all. So load it up, put it on top of the car, and strap it down. It looks like it's fairly simple and straightforward.
So let's go do it.
Again, it's got some really good construction on it. You did well.
Stitching. So let's go put it on top of the Jeep.
Let's go.
So we have all sorts of stuff in there.
I said it'd be perfect for people who are smuggling, because you can have everything on top of the car. If you start to get pulled over, you just hit the strap releases and let it fly back in their face and take off. I've thought this out.
So, about the only complaint I have about this thing, can you hear the vibration of the straps?
Driving me crazy, man.
But maybe if we didn't have them coming inside, it wouldn't be so loud if they were actually connected to the rack.
No, you wouldn't hear it at all.
So, that's my one big complaint. The middle of nowhere, New Mexico. We haven't seen another car in quite some time, so hopefully we're going the right way, and hopefully we don't break
Honey,
down.
we need gas.
Don't say that. And it's a bumpy road.
We're out of water.
No, don't say that. Yes, make sure that you have plenty of water and plenty of gas when you're out here.
This box looking tasty.
Let him talk to you that way.
Would it shock you if I told you we're in the middle of nowhere? It's like Nevada with a little bit of grass.
Yes, we are in the middle of nowhere. We just went through a ghost town.
And even the ghosts were gone.
Even the ghosts were gone. It was kind of funny. There was like this old building just torn apart that was the old post office. But yet there was this brand new post office across the street. That's all that was there, was that new post office.
Yeah. Pretty
As you can see, it does snow in this part of the country.
Curbs bugging.
We're driving right into it. So it's snowing in the desert, and then we just passed a sign that said this road might be closed due to missile firing. So where the frick are we?
Downrange.
Downrange.
From Great Sounds.
We realize the colder it is, the harder the plastic is to work with. Just keep that in mind. But it holds quite a bit. Finally. Stop. Mr. Martini, let me in the car. Mr. Martini, stop the damn car. No, don't ever say that it doesn't snow in Albuquerque. It most definitely snows. We just got back from a road trip all over New Mexico. The bag was brand new when we went, and it fared very well. We went through a blizzard, we went through rain, we went through sandy areas, you know, all different kinds of conditions. Oh, we just went through really bad wind, and it held on really good. I mean, all this is from the snow and the water melting, but the seams seem to have lasted really well, and it held up. So thumbs up for the roof bag. So this has turned out to be an absolutely wonderful bag for our family. So if you're interested in getting it yourself, I've put a link down in the description so you can find it yourself. Make sure to check out all our videos on traveling in New Mexico. It is truly an enchanted place.